We have a new chip inside, so a brand new processor, which is doing a whole wide range of things. Three key areas: colour, contrast and detail. So in terms of colours, frame by frame we're analysing twice as many colours as we were in Brava Engine 2. So that means we have more control over colours and shades. And now we have, in terms of detail, every picture source is up converted to 1080p before being displayed on the screen. So even analog signal goes to 576 up to 1080p to be displayed on the screen. So there is the up conversion in time. And finally, in terms of contrast, what we're trying to do is make the picture a bit brighter so that you can actually see more details in dark parts of the picture. So if, for example, I don't know, somebody's jacket is black, on Brava Engine 2 it will be black, but you wouldn't actually see the sleeves or the details or the crease. So trying to make a little bit more detail behind in darker parts of the picture. And this is the kind of idea that, yes, if the picture is normally, you'd see it black and you wouldn't see much detail, but here, boost up the brightness, boost up some of the mid-tones to really bring out some more details. Colours, we want to keep some colours natural like skin tones, but other colours we want to enhance slightly. And in terms of definition, we have improvements for resolution, for edge enhancement, noise reduction as well is much more improved from previous generation. For analog TV, we have a function in the tuner called intelligent picture. So this is removing some of the noise and interference from analog signal, and at the same time providing some amplification to make the signal to noise ratio much higher. So therefore we have the a cleaner picture. So that's the whole point of having this signal booster. So hopefully you all know motion flow. Our key features for motion flow are obviously 200 frames a second. Each original frame creates 3 new frames, and the 3 new frames are unique. It's not a copy, it's not a case of showing 100 frames and then flashing the backlight and then showing another 100 frames. It's 200 frames exactly unique. And what happens is we are comparing the original frame with the second one to provide a kind of interpolation of what has moved, what has changed. So this new frame we then compare with the first one and the second one to give a couple more in the middle. So motion flow is important because the algorithm is detecting all directions, not just horizontal motion, where some of our competitors just focus horizontal motion, but we're looking vertical motion, diagonal as well. We also have image blur reduction, which is sharpening up the picture before creating the extra frames. And also, if you're watching 24p signal, then we create 7 new frames for every 1 original frame. So 24 gets converted to 192, and each frame of those 7 new frames are motion compensated. So for movie content, if you wish to have motion flow turned on, then it's very, very smooth, and you will see quite a bit of a difference. So I can show you very quickly here a couple of things.